Good morning, everyone. I again welcome you all to Sri Rama Bharati Public School online classes. This is your computer class. So today, the topic that we are going to start is chapter number 7, File Management and Introduction. File Management and Introduction. The topics that we are going to cover today is that what is the file, how we are going to save, open and close a file. So let's start. So the first is, what is file? First we are going to learn that what is file. The stored information in computer is known as data. Everybody knows that the information that we are going to store in the computer, that is known as data. Okay, so the collection of related data or information means, the collection means when we collect so many different type of files, that related data and information is a file, which can be text, images, sound, etc. That means, like, if we want to create the files of paint, then all the paint files comes under MS Paint. Okay, that is one file in which we are saving our paintings, one file we can create in which we are saving our documents. So these are the different files. A file created in a particular program is known as the name of the program. A file created in a particular program, like in particular program means there are so many programs like MS Paint, MS Word, Teams, OneDrive. These all are different programs. The files that we are created in that programs, we are created the name, we are giving the name to the particular file, that is a file created in particular program. Example, like first, a drawing created and saved in Paint is known as Paint file. Like in previous chapter we have done that how we are going to draw a file, how we are going to draw a drawing in MS Paint. After that we have learned that how we are going to save that file, how we are going to open that file. So all these files comes under Paint program. Okay, so the file or the drawing that we are going to save in MS Paint, that comes under Paint file. The file or the data that we are going to save in MS Word, that comes under Word file. Okay, or the PPTs that we are going to make in PowerPoint, that comes under PPT files. So there are different types of files that we are going to use in computer. In different formats we are going to save our files. Okay, so file is basically the stored information in the computer. A collection of stored information or related information is file. Now we come to know that what is file. Now we are going to learn that how we are going to save the file. So there are different steps to save a file, to open a file, or to create a file. Okay, or to open the existing file. So these all steps we have already done in MS Paint. In previous chapter we have already done that how we are going to save file, how we are going to open file, how we are going to close the file. Again I am repeating here the same steps. That is, to save a file we have to follow these steps. First we have to click on file menu. We have to click on file menu. After clicking on file menu, we have to click on save option, then save as dialog box appears. We have to click on save option, then save as dialog box appears. After that we have to select the location. Where we want to save our file. After that, in file name box we have to type the name of our file, or means we have to give the title to our file in the file name box. After that we have to click on save button. Our file will be saved. After clicking on the save button, our file will be saved. Now see here, first you have to click on this file menu, that is on the top. Okay, you have to click on file menu, that is on the top here. After clicking on file, you have to click on here, that is save option. You have to click on save option. then this dialog box will appear. Here you have to type the name of the file. You have to give the title to your file. After writing the title, here you will select the location where you want to save the file. After that, give the name to your file, and after that click on this save button. After that, click on this save button. This is number 1 point. Then save number 2, location number 3. Then you have to give the name to the file, that is number 4, and then click on save button. This is number 5. So these are the 5 steps by which you are going to save your file. Okay, so when you have to open your file, then instead of this save, you have to click here open. You have to click here open. Or if you want to close the file, then you have to click here exit. You have to click here exit button. So these are the steps to save, close and open a file. Okay. Now you understand how we are going to save the file. Now what is the use of saving a file? If you have not saved the file, you will not be able to open it again. If you are not able to save the file, then you are not able to open it again. Okay. A computer keeps a saved file until it is deleted. A computer saves your files, okay, until it is deleted. But if you delete the file from the computer location, then it will not be saved anywhere. It will automatically delete it from your computer. Then you are not able to open it again. So the files that are very important, that files you have to store, that files you have to save in the computer. Okay. By this way, by using these steps, you are able to save all Word files, Notepad files, Paint files, presentation files, all files you are going to save like this. Okay. Same like saving a file. Same steps like saving a file. You can open a saved file or you can close a file. You can open a saved file or close a file. Same steps you have to follow, but instead of clicking on save, you have to click on open to open a file, or you have to click on exit to close a file. You have to click on open to open a file, or you have to click on exit to close a file. For close, you can also use control buttons. That we have already learnt in MS Paint also. So this figure shows you the 3 control buttons: this minus, this rectangle and this cross. So this cross is used to close or exit from the app. If you click on this cross button, then you are able to exit from this app, like MS Paint app, MS Word app, on whatsoever app you are working. When you click on this close button, then you are able to close or exit from that program. So we are also using control buttons to close the program. So I again show you, like if you want to open a file, then you have to click. If you want to open a file, then you have to click here. This is open. Okay, this is save. If you want to save file, then you have to click here, and this is exit. If you want to close, then you have to click here. This is the exit button. Okay, and other processes are same. Every time you will get this dialog box. If you want to save, then you have to type the name. If you want to open, then you have to select file from here and click here open. If you want to exit, simply click on exit and the program will be closed. So these are the steps that you have to follow to open, save and close a file. I hope it's clear to everyone. By this, our chapter number 7 is completed. In this chapter, only 3 steps are there, that how you have to open a notepad, how you have to create a new notepad, and how you have to save that file, and how you have to close that file. These are the 4 steps that you have to learn in this chapter in the form of notepad. In this, we are working on notepad. Okay, so you can watch the live YouTube videos, live stream videos also. And if you have any doubts, then you can ask in the class also. By this, thank you everyone. Okay, bye. Have a nice day.